Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check how to edit repositories. So we can add, we can remove the repositories, we can do addition of the repository links. So in most of the Linux distribution, you have to do all this activity via the terminal. But in Garuda Linux, there is a very easy way. You have to open the Garuda Assistant and click on the edit repositories. It will open a GUI to edit the repositories. So similar kind of GUI is available in OpenSUSE also, but that design is totally different, but the functionality is same that we see in the Garuda Assistant. So let us edit the repositories. So here you can see these are the pre-configured or the default repositories that are available in Garuda Linux. So Garuda Core, Extra, Multilib, the chaotic AUR is there, and the custom repository is there. So if you want to include any custom repository, say if you want to include the LiquorX or the Xanmod kernel repositories, then you have to edit this custom repository and provide the links and then install the kernel repos of Xanmod or LiquorX in the custom repository. So what we will do is, for the trial, we will just use this toggle. So these toggles are to disable or enable any repository, and the dustbin button is to delete the repository for permanently. So if once you delete the repository permanently, if you have to add it back, you have to do the manual addition of the repository, or you can use this plus button also. So in this video, I will just show you how to disable the default repository. So we will disable the chaotic AUR repository by clicking here. So the repository is now disabled, and in the next tab the options is there. So here the options for the different file paths, system file paths are given. For example, the root directory file path is / database path for the pacman is the package manager for Arch. So the database file path is here. Cache directory you can see here. So this is the cache directory that we cleaned in the last video. So I think if you remember, in the one of the videos we have cleared the package cache. So the package cache was there in this path and it was cleared. The log file path is there. So the pacman log file is here at this path. JPG directory. So this will contain all the JPG keys. Hook directory is there. So these are the system hooks. So it has got a directory. Hold package is here. The transfer commands are here, and the clean method is there. So there are different clean methods when you clean the package cache. So keep installed. So all the packages which are installed and registered in the system will be kept. They will not be removed or cleaned during the package cache cleaning. This is the architecture path. Ignore package, ignore group, no upgrade, then the no extract, use system log, color, no progress bar, different things are there. Check space, verbose package list, I love candy, parallel download. So here you can specify how many number of parallel downloads can be done. So this is very critical. If you provide too many parallel downloads, and if your this internet link is slow, then it will completely hamper the download. So better is to keep the default number of parallel downloads if you don't know how to do this. Otherwise the system can hang during the downloads. The signal level, local file signal level, remote file signal level, all these things are there. So it is a very vast subject. I cannot take everything, show you everything in one video. And the mirror list is there. So these are the mirror list that were configured during the installation. So during the installation, the reflector will work and it will create the we can say a list of best mirrors or best servers which can provide us the updates. So this has been automatically configured during the installation. So this was the first thing that was done during the installation. So we will not touch this too. We will just do the disablement of the chaotic AUR that we have done. So it is very easy. We are done, and you have to just close this. So that's it. It is very easy, and it is also very easy to add the custom repositories. I will show you in one of the videos in near future. but for today only the disablement of the repository I am showing. So with this I will stop the video here. In the next video we will check out some more features of the Garuda Assistant. Bye bye.